Okay, hi guys, my name is Ricky from DevSamurai. I'm currently the QA lead for the team, and today I'm going to show you guys how to integrate AgileTest with Bitbucket repository. Let's get started. So we are currently at the Bitbucket documentation. Let's go through every single step to make sure this process completed successfully. Now, firstly, you need to get yourself a pair of credentials, client ID and client secret from AgileTest. So I will put right here a documentation from us. Let's open this link. Okay, please go through this procedure, and finally you would get to this page. There will be a new row that is dedicated for your credentials information. Make sure to copy those because for the upcoming steps we're going to need it. Okay. Alright, so after finish that, and don't forget, make sure that you have the permission to create issues in your project. Otherwise, this process is meaningless, and there won't be any test execution or test cases that are created. Right. So next, we're going to add some variables to your Bitbucket repository. Right here, I have prepared a sample repository for you guys. Okay, so on the left side right here, you go to repository settings, scroll down to the bottom, right here, repository variables, open it, and add 5 variables, client ID, secret, my project key, base authenticating URL, and base URL. So make sure to mark client ID and client secret as secured. And for project key, you would put any value you want because this is your project key. Right, and the base your authenticated URL. This is for retrieving the token using client ID and client secret. And the base URL, the one that we're going to submit our test result to. Right, get back to Bitbucket documents. Okay. All right. Next we're going to go through the upload the test result section right here. So there are 2 ways for you to upload the test result to AgileTest. Either you could use API or you use AgileTest command line interface. It's all right. So right here I have prepared a sample Bitbucket Pipelines YAML file. In it, there is one single step. But actually, there are 2 stages. The first stage is for restoring your project and then run the test script. And the second one is to retrieve the token and then use that token to submit your test report to AgileTest. Okay, let's go through it. And if you wonder about there are any sample projects out there, please go to this link, AgileTest behalf. There are a bunch of projects for you that are ready for you to explore. Make sure to check it out. All right. Right, now go back to our Bitbucket repo. Open the branch and unit, the pipeline. Okay, so currently we are using the second way, but let me make a commit. We would use API request. Right, push it. Okay, go back to pipeline, check the progress. It's running right now. Just a few minutes. Right, done. Oh, one more thing. Let me go to this project. So we're currently on the test execution page. As you can see, the latest one is 44. After this pipeline is finished, let's refresh. Okay, and you can see here a new test execution issue has been created. Open it, and you will see there is one test passed. Cool. Alright, that is for the first wave. Now let's go back to the Bitbucket document. Right, we have finished the first wave. Now let's try the AgileTest command line interface. Okay, so I have put here a link for you to refer to. If you want to find out more about our command line interface, open it. But here, there are some examples you could refer to and apply these commands for your pipeline. Make sure to check it out. And here I have prepared an example. So unlike the previous step, for this we would have two steps instead of single one. Right here, that run test and then upload the reports. And in the first step, after restoring the project and run test, a test result will be created. We would push that to the artifacts. I mean the Bitbucket artifacts. And then the next step, in the next step, we're going to publish it using this Docker image, AgileTest command line interface. Right. So let's go through this command right here. So there are some options. They are base authenticating URL, base URL, have your credentials, and the project key. Okay. And this is your test result file. Make sure to put the correct path, otherwise this command will fail. Okay, let's open my local repo. We added the issue step right here. Save it. That's a bit. Okay, it's a pattern. See here, it's running right now. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Now we add a second step. Okay, all set. Let's get back to our project. With the test execution, pretty fresh. And here you can see a new execution. Alright, so that's all set. Okay, so we have finished the integration with between AgileTest and Bitbucket. But AgileTest also supports attribute from directly from the app. So let's find out how to do that, right? Okay, firstly you need to open this document, scroll down to the Bitbucket, right here. Actually, we use Bitbucket API to implement this feature. So if you wonder about how it works, feel free to go to Bitbucket components. Right here, I put the link. Okay, let's go back to our project. Open settings, automate test. Right here, there is an available Bitbucket trigger. But let me just create a new one for you. Right, the trigger name, workspace. For the workspace and repository slot, um, you just need to go back to your Bitbucket repo, check your URL right here. This is the workspace, and this is your repo slot. See what I mean? And like that. For the body data, let's go back here. There is an example. You could copy this one, paste this, that. Okay, here I choose the target is comment. So for the hash right here, go back to your repo, check your latest commit. Usually it's a commit ID right here. Copy this one, paste it in here, and for the revenue, make sure to put the name of your framework. Fill in your repository asset token. If you don't know how to get this token, make sure to check out a document from Jira. I put it in this document. Okay, follow the instructions, and finally you will get one for yourself. Click add. You will have a trigger right here after finishing that. Right, and now go to test execution page. Open any test execution. Open the issue screen. On the right panel, scroll down to the bottom. In AgileTest panel, select the Remote Trigger tab. Choose Bitbucket Trigger and hit Run. If the trigger has been successful, then there will be a nudge right here. And if there are any problems in merge, then you will see a fail notification instead of a successful one right here. Okay, go back to our Bitbucket pipeline. It's running. Just wait for a few minutes. Okay, all set. Let's go back to the test execution page. Click refresh. And here you can see a new execution. Right. So that's all done. But if you wonder, there is any way for you to check the pipeline trigger. Make sure to check the tab right here, the test execution. It's called automated tests. Here you could find out all the triggers with the name of the creator and the framework, the status. Okay.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to find out more about AgileTest. Bye.